visiting some of Islamic Relief's projects here in Sindh province, South Pakistan. And the site where I'm standing now is approximately 10 kilometers from Sindh, from area called Thatta, which is about 2 hours drive from Karachi. 250 families are accommodated on this site. Apart from tents provided by Islamic Relief, water, hygiene kits and 1 month's food package per family has also been delivered. This is your money in action. It's because of your support that Islamic Relief has managed to provide this emergency relief to approximately 1,200 people on this site alone. This water tank is installed by Islamic Relief and is working in partnership with Plan International. Their tankers come on a regular basis and provide clean water. As of today, there are unfortunately 7 million people who are suffering directly as the result of devastating floods here in Sindh. 2 million children are suffering from waterborne disease. Hundreds and thousands still homeless and living under open sky. These 3 families have just arrived from Badin, which is approximately 100 kilometers from here, and they don't have a tent yet. This is their kitchen under open sky, and this is where they are going to spend tonight. Our team is trying to find more tents, but they may have to wait till tomorrow before the next delivery arrives. Hygiene training was also provided to all the people who are on this campsite, and we also requested the local medical authorities to provide health facilities for people on this site. Somebody has set up a local stall here.